Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to create design on the Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how do you create this seamless pattern on your Canva? I'm just going to show how to design this pattern. It is an example. You can just create your own. So first of all, here you're just going to click on the elements first, and then you just need to pick a square. Just place it here like this, or you can just place on where the slide you just needed. Just place here like this. Then you just need to you just need to change this color to a black. You can just pick your own color. So and just make a duplicate here and just place it over near the thing, and then you just need to pick the circle in the shapes. So after picking the circle, make it on the center of the square, then just change this to any gradient color. So here just going to use a slide color, light color like this, or you can just use whatever the color you just needed. So here just going to pick this color and just make a duplicate this again. A circle should be duplicated again, and just place it over here. And then here you can just choose another color. And then you just need to change this color to a white color. So first you just need to change this to be white. Then it's perfect. Just keep this on the center like this. Just make a duplicate it again and just keep it here like this. And just then duplicate it again. Just select it and just duplicate it again. You can just place here like this. Then you just need to delete this part and then just select it, resize it, and make a duplicate, and just need to place it alternately like this, so you can get the output. So just place here. Now just select entire thing and make a duplicate and just place it on the below like this. So now you can see how just select it everything, just resize it and make to set it on the screen like this. So this is how I just create this design. And then you can just make a duplicate it again and just click on the design option. You can just change the colors, the color you just like it. You can just change this color, whatever color you just needed. So with this color pattern. So this is how I just created this design, which look seamless pattern with a different shade. So you can just create this design or create this design or create this design with this seamless pattern effect. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.